There's a reason why 99% of affiliate marketers fail, and it's because of one little secret. It's that simple. So first off, how have I come across this little secret when maybe you haven't? Well, I've spent thousands of dollars and thousands of hours on different courses over the last year. And you know what I've discovered? Most of these courses leave you wanting more. And what I mean by that is that they'll give you just enough information to get you started. But what you need to do is buy the next product. You have to buy the next product and the next product and the next product, and you're constantly chasing that next product to be able to build a successful business. And what these gurus are trying to do is make you become addicted to their products so that they can keep selling to you, they can keep getting rich, and you'll just keep getting poorer and poorer and in more and more debt trying to build your business. You know, and this is what none of us want. We all want to become successful, and I truly believe that it is possible for any one of us to become successful, and affiliate marketing is a fantastic way of starting a business online. Like I said, anyone can do it, but you have to find the right way. So today, this one little secret that I'm talking about is delayed gratification. Now, you may have heard this before, but I'm going to tell it I'm going to talk to you about it in a slightly different way. And what I mean by delayed gratification is that 99% of affiliates that fail, they stop right before the point where they start to get success. It's difficult. These marketing strategies that these gurus use to get you to buy their first products, they'll say that, you know, they made $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 in 30 days or 60 days. You know, it's ridiculous sums of money in an even more ridiculous amount of time. And the truth is that doesn't exist. Very, very few people, if any, make those sort of figures in that sort of time scale. Most people have tried for years and years and years without success, and in those years they've built up skills, they've built and built and built their business. But you know what they've done? They've just kept going. They've gone through all the troubles, even when they've failed, even when they're in debt, even when they've lost money. They just keep going, and all of a sudden things click and they start to make money. And then the thing is, they use these marketing tactics to make you believe that they've done it in 30 days or in a week or whatever it may be. And this is what gets you to buy the products from them. And it's wrong. Now, I believe that is the wrong way to do it. You know, it shouldn't be like that. You know, we should all understand that this is building a business. Building any business is a long game. There's very few people in any business that make money overnight. Overnight success doesn't exist. You know, it takes work, it takes dedication, and it takes time to build. Now, for instance, you know, with affiliate marketing, you want to be building a list of subscribers. You want to be building a following. You want to become almost an influencer. And in doing that, you will be able to promote products to your following of people, your list of subscribers, and you'll be able to make commissions off of that. Now, that should always be ethical. It should always be products that you truly believe in. A lot of people out there will just sell you anything just to get a quick buck or quick pound here in the UK, but that's not the right way to do it. The right way to do it is to sell products ethically, products that you believe in, the products that you know are going to help your audience. But how do you build that audience? How do you build that subscriber list? Well, you can't do that overnight. You need the right strategies, the right skills, the right techniques to build that. And this is what I'm talking about. These programs, they give you little pieces of the pie and they want you to buy more and more and more. Now, a program that I've been involved with, it doesn't do that. It gives you everything. It's packed full of every bit of information that you need to get your business started. If you want to check that out, feel free to hit the link below this video and go and look at that. But this is what you need. You know, information is free. You can go out there and you can learn everything you need to start your affiliate marketing business here on YouTube. And if you want information about starting a business online, then please subscribe to this channel, because that's exactly what I do on here. Is I give more information and, you know, tips, tricks and tutorials about starting online business and affiliate marketing. And please, I'd love you to subscribe and check out some more of our videos. But do I recommend that you do it that way? No, I don't, because the problem is trying to put all those pieces of the puzzle together is very difficult. Now, people do that, one, because maybe they don't want to invest financially into the business, but you have to understand as well that you're not investing into the business, you're investing into yourself. And in doing so, the skills that you learn cannot be taken away from you. It's something that can't be taken away. Now, if you run Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or you do Facebook organic marketing, you even do YouTube videos like I'm doing here, that can get taken away from you at any time. You have no control over that. But the skills that you learn, those can't be taken away, and they can transfer to other businesses. But what you need is a structured program that can teach you all of that. Now, if you want to get involved with that, then like I said, hit the link below. And if you like this video, if this video has helped you out and you found the affiliate marketing secret useful, then please subscribe to my channel, and please check out my other videos all about building businesses online. And remember, this is a long game. You've got to be dedicated and just put in the time. Don't expect to get rich overnight. You will make it. I guarantee you'll get there, but you just have to put the effort in, and don't fall off the wagon, because that, like I said, 99% of affiliates fail because they stop right before success comes. It takes time to build. And yeah, check out my next video, guys. You can look at the next one just up here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.